Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí iléeṣẹ́ wa ọ̀dẹ̀ ọdún bí ṣé dáadáa la bá yín. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa Yorùbá nation ló lè ṣe bí wọ́n fẹ́ bí wọ́n kọ̀ Yorùbá nation no going back náà ṣe ni. Lórí ìtàtúgbé wa yìí ó ga o eléyìí ó gbẹnu tán bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ojú àwọn ẹlẹ́ṣọ́ ààbò tí wàá já báyìí o ojú wọn ti já ṣèbá àwọn ẹlẹ́ṣọ́ ààbò yìí náà máa ń lò tán máa fi ń fìyà jẹ wá ní báyìí àwọn ẹlẹ́ṣọ́ ààbò ti pariwo síta àwọn soldiers àwọn military wọ́n ti ń ké pé ìyà ń jẹ àwọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé ìyà yìí ti ń pọ̀ jù wọ́n ti pariwo síta pé ìyà yìí ti pọ̀ jù ṣẹ́yìn náà rí bó ṣe ń lọ báyìí tí àwọn ẹlẹ́ṣọ́ ààbò wa tí wọ́n bá wà òkè báwo ni wọ́n ṣe fẹ́ dáàbò bò wá báwo ni wọ́n ṣe fẹ́ dáàbò bo àwọn ará ìlú nǹkan tá à ń sọ nìyẹn ṣé a fẹ́ wá sọ pé wọ́n mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ ṣe nǹkan tó ń ṣe yìí ni ṣé a fẹ́ sọ pé àwọn ìjọba wọ́n mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ ṣe nǹkan tó ń ṣe yìí ni kò easy o ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa that is why ta fi ń pariwo Yorùbá nation ló lè ṣe kí àwọn ẹlẹ́ṣọ́ ààbò kí wọ́n máa yọ nínú owó wọn lóṣooṣù for the past 10 months kọ́ máa yọ 38,400 naira nínú owó oṣù àwọn èèyàn ṣẹ́yìn náà rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn nǹkan táwọn ẹlẹ́ṣọ́ ààbò yìí wọ́n ti jáde wọ́n wá pariwo síta nìyẹn o àwọn tó yẹ pé àwọn lẹ́yìn kan máa ṣọ́ wa tó yẹ kẹ́ máa sanwó gidi fún ẹ wá tún wá lọ ń yọ nínú owó wọn ara nǹkan tá à ń sọ nìyẹn o sọ àwọn èèyàn tẹ̀ ti pariwo síta pé gbogbo nǹkan táwọn ìjọba ń ṣe pé wọ́n mọ̀ ni pé wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé táwọn ò bá ti sanwó gidi fún àwọn ẹlẹ́ṣọ́ ààbò tó má ti lè rán wọn pé kán lọ fèsì àwọn Boko Haram kán lọ fèsì àwọn Fúlàní pé wọ́n ní agbára wọn ní okun láti bá wọn jà tọ́n bá dẹ̀ ti lókun bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n máa pa wọ́n dànù at the end of the day ó máa affect our citizens ṣẹ́yìn náà rí ìwọ tó bá mọ bó ṣe ń lọ ló mọ you wey you know na you know. Nínú ìlú tá a wà yìí ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ká má tanra wa kò sí ìfẹ́ ká má tanra wa kò sẹ́ni tó rán anybody ká má tanra wa ìjọba ò rán wa ìwọ tó bá yẹn ń pariwo pé ọmọ Yorùbá ló wà ń bẹ ọmọ ẹni ò ní ṣèdí bẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ ká wá fi ilẹ̀kẹ̀ sídìí ẹlòmíì ọmọ ìwọ fi ilẹ̀kẹ̀ sídìí tara ẹ̀ ní kókó tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ń sìn first face yourself satisfy yourself ní kókó báyìí má lọ máa dúró pé àwa la wà ń bẹ ọmọ Yorùbá ló wà ń bẹ ó máa take care wa ta ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún ẹ everybody on your own ní nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìlú ìbáyìí that is why gbogbo wa tá bá fẹ́ wà òkè tá bá fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan tó dáa fúnra wa ká support Yorùbá nation ojoojúmọ́ la fi ń sọ a dẹ̀ máa continue láti máa sọ ni because ó láwọn kan tó yẹ pé wọ́n ti gbọ́ ń pa Yorùbá nation ọjọ́ kan máa pàdé ọ̀rọ̀ tá à ń sọ yìí wọ́n á dẹ̀ rí pé so orú nǹkan báyìí ṣẹlẹ̀ àwọn kan ti believe pé wọ́n Nàìjíríà yẹn gangan ló lè solve everything nǹkan tó wà lọ́kàn àwọn kan nìyẹn pé with this one Nigeria no worry with time that's why ẹ̀ma àwọn kan tó ń pariwo restructuring adẹ̀tí ní kàn máa lagi mọ́ lórí anybody tẹ́ bá gbọ́ tó bá pariwo restructuring ẹ wọ́ ńlẹ̀ because àwọn arábí wọ́n mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣe tara wọn nìkan ló ń jà fún. Now lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tá à ń sọ lọ àwọn ẹlẹ́ṣọ́ ààbò ti pariwo síta wípé ìyà yìí ti pọ̀ jù for the past 10 months wọ́n yọ 38,400 naira nínú salary wọn ṣé ẹ̀rí pé ó pọ̀ jù finally wọ́n pariwo pé pówó yìí pé ìyà yìí ti pọ̀ jù kán máa yọ 38,400 naira nínú sálárì èèyàn kankan èlò ló wá fẹ́ kù ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ pé wọ́n lẹ́lẹ́ṣọ́ ààbò báwo lẹ ṣe wá fẹ́ kán lè máa ṣọ́ àwa èèyàn. Wọ́n pariwo síta nípa àwọn ìjọba ń dín owó oṣù àwọn kù o kí àwọn aráyé kan gbà wọ́n o so gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí how long la fẹ́ ṣe continue pẹ̀lú irú nǹkan báyìí kò sí unity ní Nàìjíríà yìí tó yẹ pé ẹ ní rí pé nǹkan burúkú ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ àwọn ẹlẹ́ṣọ́ ààbò tó yẹ kẹ́ máa pamper kẹ́ máa fún wọn ní anything tó bá fẹ́ no wonder táwọn Fúlàní ṣe ń tán fi ń gbé ìbọn gidi dání àṣebá àwọn Fúlàní sọ ń gbà yẹn náà nígbà tán wá táwọn Fúlàní tán gbé wọ́n jí máa kan gbé àbí wọn àti kejì àwọn méjì tán jí wọn gbé níbi sáìdì Ṣàgámù ọ̀nà Ṣàgámù kí ló sọ ǹgbà tán release máa yẹn lẹ́yìn tí máa yẹn san 100,000 tán release máa yẹn kí ni máa yẹn sọ máa yẹn sọ fáwọn ọlọ́pàá pé àwọn Fúlàní tí wọ́n jí àwọn gbé yìí sọ pé tó bá wùn ẹ̀ kó lọ pe àwọn ọlọ́pàá wa ìbọn tó wà lọ́wọ́ wa táwọn gan bá rí wọ́n máa sá ni pé wọ́n bí wọn dá kán ní irú ìbọn táwa ní ṣẹ́ náà rí wọ́n máa gbé ìbọn tí yóò gbádùn fáwọn ọlọ́pàá àwọn Fúlàní dẹ̀ máa gbé ìbọn gidi ok now ẹ wá béèrè ta ló fún àwọn Fúlàní ní ìbọn táwọn Fúlàní ń lò àwọn ìbọn tó wà sophisticated yẹn ta ló ń fún àwọn Fúlàní. Ibẹ̀ gangan lẹ ti máa mọ̀ pé everybody need láti wake up. Now àwọn ẹlẹ́ṣọ́ ààbò ti pariwo síta pé wọ́n ń dín owó àwọn for the past 10 months. Wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ but this time around wọ́n gbọ́ pé àwọn gbọ́dọ̀ láwọn. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ máa wo ti yín. Yorùbá nation is the only solution. Yorùbá nation nìkan ló lè ṣe bí wọ́n fẹ́ bí wọ́n kọ̀. This Yoruba nation must be actualized. Well, my brother, my sister, a lot of things are happening right now. Yoruba nation is the answer. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly what it is. Exactly what the people are talking about. Yes, my brother, my sister, with the news reaching us, the Nigerian army have come out in their numbers, and then they have opened up, and then they have made it clear that with what is going on, that there's been some deduction in their salary. In fact, according to Nigerian Army, the medical corps laments that deduction of up to 38,000 naira from their salary under new commander Okoge. And then onto this one of the personnel who spoke with Sarah reporter said that the reductions began under the leadership of Brigadier General Okoge Solomon, who took charge of the corps in 2023. Well, onto this one, some of the Nigerian Army personnel have made it clear. And meanwhile, one of the personnel who spoke with Sarah reporter said that the reduction began under the leadership of this brigadier, and it happened since it's been happening since 2023 that this man joined. The officer stated that she had been experiencing deduction of 38,400 naira on her monthly pay without any explanation for 10 months, adding that at least 10,000 soldiers' medical corps are affected. And then she lamented that the soldiers deployed for the internal security across the theater were being paid 45,000 naira, while Air Force and the naval officers are paid 75,000 naira. Salary, she ain't salary ton san fáwọn ẹni ẹlẹ́ni. And then she called on the Nigerian government to look into the high level of corruption in the military, especially the Nigerian army. And then she said Brigadier General Okoge Solomon, a gynecologist, took over the realm of affairs as the corps commander, medical corps, March 2023 from General Solebo. He began his reign with a random deduction and a short payment of medical allowance to the professionals in the medical corps. The short changes is not synchronized as the deduction vary from individuals. Well, meanwhile, it made it clear that for the past 10 months, she has been experiencing short payment of 38,400 naira on a monthly basis, without any explanation. You can imagine nobody was even explaining why they were deducting that kind of amount. Well, according to what she made clear, say anytime I go to the Army Central Finance Office at Apapa for complaints, their response is always the same, that it's the order from the corps commander. Okay, and then meanwhile, the Nigerian government should look into the high level of corruption in the military, especially the Nigerian army. The soldiers deployed for internal security across the theater are being paid 45,000 naira, while Air Force and the Navy are paying 75,000 naira to their soldiers. My brother, my sister, what is 75,000 naira in the first place? Because some people will be like, okay, some people are getting higher. 75,000 naira. Owó kí nìyẹn? Ṣé owó téèyàn fẹ́ fi wọ mọ́tò lọ sí the next town ni, àbí owó téèyàn fẹ́ fi ra àgbámúlùmọ́ lọ fáwọn ọmọ tó bá ti ń bọ̀ láti ibi iṣẹ́? Ó mà ṣe o. Well, meanwhile, the MAFA allowance approved by the former president was not implemented by the army, while the Navy and then Air Force are on 50% implementation, Army are on 20%. Well, we can't talk. We must not grant interview to the press. We must not complain. not grumble, and then no one is talking for us? Must we die in silence, suffering, and then smiling? Hey, so ó ti ṣe ń gbọ́ tí wọ́n ti lè sọ pé káwọn soldiers kan máa sọ̀rọ̀ kan dákẹ́ pé tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ pé àwọn máa pa wọ́n, ìyà máa jẹ wọ́n. Táwọn soldier bá lè dákẹ́ pé àwọn ò ní lè sọ̀rọ̀, then táwa ni àwa ordinary civilian ṣe é rí nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ńlú yẹn. Ẹ wá sọ pé kí gbogbo wa jókòó ká máa dúró de wọn Nàìjíríà kò lè work because this thing has circulated, everybody ló ń jẹ̀yà yẹn. We can't talk, we must not grant interview to the press. Hey, we must not complain, not grumble, and then no one is talking for us. Must we die in silence, suffering, and then smiling? All medical personnel in the Nigerian army are affected, over 10,000 soldiers. Hey, but now àṣírí tú àbá àṣírí òtú, àṣírí yín ò lè bò forever, ẹ̀yin kẹ̀ ẹ lè escape ẹ̀. That's exactly what we are talking about. Àṣírí wa tú finally. Now everybody is talking about this. Everyone is talking about this. So what do you think about this, my brother, my sister? Come and dín owó àwọn Elesho àbòkù, about 10,000 soldiers. So how do you think these people will now work effectively? How do you want these people to now fight for the masses from the bottom of their hearts? That's exactly what we are talking about. It's only the good Lord that will help us. So right now, if you are still out there, if anyone is telling you that you should be fighting for one Nigeria, or anyone is telling you that restructuring will make it happen, my brother, my sister, you better run for your dear life. Corruption is everywhere in the country. Imagine if this sharp practice could be happening in the discipline organization like military. So what do you think is going to become of other departments? Well, my brother, my sister, all these are recipe for military coup and revolution. And then somebody had made it clear that it is good for these soldiers. Ṣebí tí àwọn ìjọba bá fẹ́ lò yín against wa, tá bá ń jà, tá bá ń protest pé nǹkan tá à ń ṣe yìí is for everybody. Ẹ̀yin gan lẹ́nu máa sáré máa ju ìbọn tẹ́ máa ẹ wò kán tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní toll gate. Ṣé bá àwọn àmì kan náà lọ lò tán fi pa gbogbo àwọn èèyàn dànù. Kí everybody sọjí ni, kí everybody wake up, because ìyà yẹn everybody ló máa jẹ o. Either you like it or not, everyone will suffer this. Either you like it or not. Tó bá sọ pé àwọn èèyàn kan tẹ́ ń sọ lé ní pé àwọn kan parọ́ pé àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá àtàwọn ọmọ Yíbò pé àwọn ò fẹ́ràn ara wọn pé torí election tó kọjá. At the end of the day, kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀ ń sìn? Ṣé gbogbo náà là ń jẹ́, àtàwọn ọmọ Yorùbá o, àtàwọn ọmọ Yíbò, àtàwọn ọmọ Hausa o. Everybody ló ń jẹ̀yà yẹn. Wọ́n ní pé káwọn kan pé torí àwọn kan lọ vote pé káwọn máa ra epo ní káwọn yẹn máa ra epo ní 200 per litre, káwọn tí wọ́n vote kan máa ra epo ní 600. Irọ́ ni. Everybody tó bá ti wọ 600, everybody máa jọ rà 600 yẹn ni. Tó bá wọ 700, gbogbo náà la máa rà 700. Oh my God. Hey, voila. Well, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what it is right now. On to this one. Yoruba Nation is the answer. Yoruba Nation, Lafe, Yoruba Nation, no shame, Yoruba Nation, no going back. All right, till I come your way next time. If this is your first time, my brother, my sister, of joining us on this channel, try your best to subscribe to this channel, share and like. Until I come your way next time, I say bye for now.